All right, now we're working with a hyperbola. So it tells us that this hyperbola has a foci at negative 6, 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is graph negative 6, positive 5. And that's one of the foci. The other foci is at positive 2, positive 5. So that's here. So I know that the center of the foci is going to go right smack dab in the middle of these two. So I know that these are 8 units apart. So I know right here, 4 and 4 is going to give us the distance. So the center, we now know, is at negative 2, positive 5. I also know that this is going to be graphed on the x-axis because the foci are hugged by the hyperbolas. So I already know that I have an x squared minus a y squared, and it's equal to 1. Because of these two numbers, negative 2, I'm going to put the opposite inside. Positive 5, I'm going to put the opposite inside. And then it tells us that the difference of the focal radii is 4. So from the difference of the focal radii, I know that I'm going to take that number 4 because 2a is equal to 4. So a will be 2, meaning from the center, I'm going to go 2 places to the right and 2 places to the left to draw the vertices. So because this number is 2, I know the 2 squared will go under here. I'll fix that in a minute. Now, in order to find this number on the bottom right here where this y is, I have to use the information to foci. Well, I know that when I add a squared plus b squared, I get the foci c squared. So I know that my a squared is this 2 squared. We don't have a b squared. And I know that c squared is going to be the distance from here to here. So that's that 4. So 4 squared is going to give me 16. And I don't actually have to solve for b. I'm just subtracting that 4 over. Because remember, this number right here is the b squared. So my final equation to answer example 2 is x plus 2, quantity squared over 4, minus y minus 5, quantity squared over 12, is equal to 1.